Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a website to your Facebook business page. This is a great way to direct your audience to your main site or any other important links related to your business, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. First, navigate to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're on your business homepage, look towards the top right part of your screen where you'll find the profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to various account options and settings. From the drop-down menu that just appeared, click on your business profile. This will be listed under your business name, so it should be easy to spot. Clicking here takes you directly into your business management interface where you can make changes and updates to your page. You'll now be directed to your Facebook Business Management page. This is where all the customization happens. From here, locate the About tab and click on it. The About section is crucial because it houses several sections that you can customize and fill with information to build up your Facebook business page and make it more informative for visitors. Under the list of options in the About section, locate the Links section and click on it. This is where you'll be able to add all the important URLs associated with your business. Facebook allows you to add up to 10 links for each website, social media profile, or channel you have connected to your business page, which is perfect for creating a comprehensive online presence. Now, locate the pen icon and click on it. This will open the section and give you access to your existing links if you have any already saved. Look at the bottom part of this section and you'll see a button labeled Add Link. Click on it to begin adding your new website. You'll now be prompted to enter a description for this link and add your website URL. The description helps visitors understand what the link leads to, so make sure it's clear and concise. Once you've entered both the description and your website URL, click on Save. Your website link is now successfully added to your Facebook business page, making it easy for anyone who visits your page to access your site directly. And that's it. You've successfully added a website link to your Facebook business page, giving your audience a direct path to explore more about your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.